Alright, here we are in Arcata, in front of a set of decorations on this rainy October afternoon. It is about 3 p.m., October 17th. It's also somebody special's birthday, so happy birthday. You know who you are. Thinking of you. Anyway, this is really cool. This caught my attention when I was driving by, and I was like, I'm gonna have to stop and get a closer look. I have to hold my umbrella, so it's gonna be hard to zoom around with this thing. Let me see if I can do it. There we go. I can zoom around. There we are. Impressive little scarecrow there. I really like this one. Got a nice old-fashioned feel to it, old-fashioned look. Poor thing's getting wet and cold. It is a cold one today. A couple other miscellaneous decorations here. There's a nice jack-o'-lantern. Has a string of lights on the porch there. I've seen that driving by a couple times. Looks really cool. A couple little things in the window as well. Very cool. Very playful. But this here obviously is my favorite, so I just might use this one for my thumbnail. Alright. Outward and onward. Alright, we're over here on A Street in Arcata. Wanted to show you quickly these beautiful decorations along with this beautiful house. Oh my god. Very simple, very modest set of decorations. A few pumpkins on the porch here. Some nice webbing on the porch as well. I love that. It pairs well with the house, you know. I think that's why I like it so much. And even though it's very simplistic in nature, very fulfilling and sends the message. It looks really good with the leaves over here too. It's a beautiful yard in general, oh my gosh. Just going to try to zoom in. There we go. There's a little bit better zoom there. Well done, people. Well done. All right. That's it for now.